Introducing Lenubio, a unified corporate conferencing solution for small to medium-sized rooms. With the use of Compass Control Pro software for iOS, complete control and signal management of Lenubio is possible. Compass Control Pro is a simple-to-use, programming-free, plug-and-play solution under one platform, especially useful when working with multiple brand subsystems. Lenubio is comprised of the Lenubio audio conference collaboration system from TOA and KeyDigital's KD-CAMUSB PTZ camera. Both integrate to automatically track users via voice and camera, resulting in improved conference focus and eliminating operational distractions for the host. Lenubio, also known as the AMCF1, houses a 7-microphone array in addition to active stereo speakers. Further fine-tuning can be done to dictate Lenubio's functions with a browser-based GUI. This includes EQ levels, inputs and outputs, such as USB, Bluetooth, codec, and aux levels. You are even able to fine-adjust the sound pickup radius to ensure accurate voice tracking of up to 20 feet and more. The separately purchased KeyDigital KD-CAMUSB PTZ camera automatically moves in tandem with the voice tracking capabilities of Lenubio. KeyDigital's KD-CX800 control interface allows for IR and RS-232 system control via IP routing. Connectivity to a host computer is handled via a single USB connection. The system generates 1080p Full HD video with up to 10 times optical zoom via the KD-CAMUSB with automatic beam steering audio capture per the Lenubio's microphone array. In other words, KD-CX800 deciphers Lenubio's voice tracking data and converts it to the camera's PTZ information, providing both voice and camera steering to an active participant via KeyDigital's Compass Control Pro software for iOS. Compass Control Pro is a simple-to-use, programming-free plug-and-play solution for complete control and signal management under one platform, especially useful when working with multiple brand subsystems. If we can answer any questions about Lenubio, please leave us a comment below or send us a message at info@toaelectronics.com.